Today I am reviewing the ACEMAGIC N150 mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, compact, and affordable mini PC for your home or office, the ACEMAGIC N150 might just be the perfect fit. Despite its small size, this micro desktop delivers serious performance, and it's built for modern users who value speed, reliability, and quiet operation, all without breaking the bank. Let's start with what powers this mini beast, the 13th Gen Intel Twin Lake N150 processor, which can turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz. It's 30% faster than previous generations, offering snappy response for everyday tasks like web browsing, video calls, spreadsheets, and even light photo editing. This isn't just another budget chip. It's built for real-world performance, and it shows in how smoothly everything runs. And thanks to its low power consumption, peaking at just 15 watts, this PC runs cool and quiet. Perfect for home offices, dorm rooms, or even digital signage environments. You can leave it running all day without worrying about noise or power bills. Next, let's talk memory and storage. The Vista V1 comes preloaded with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe M.2 SSD. That means it boots in seconds, loads programs instantly, and lets you multitask effortlessly, switching between browser tabs, office apps, and media without slowdowns. And if you ever need more space, the storage is expandable up to 2 TB. And yes, Windows 11 Pro is already installed, giving you access to professional-level features like BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and enhanced security. It's ready to go straight out of the box, no extra setup required. Now let's talk visuals. The Intel UHD graphics support up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz across 2 displays simultaneously using HDMI and DisplayPort. That means you can hook it up to dual monitors for an ultra-productive workspace, or enjoy your favorite streaming services in crisp Ultra HD quality. The design is compact, just 3.9 by 3.9 inches and only 1.3 inches thick. It fits in the palm of your hand and even comes with a Vesa mount, so you can attach it behind a monitor and completely clear your desk. Clean, simple, efficient. Connectivity is another strong point. You get Gigabit Ethernet for fast wired networking, dual-band Wi-Fi for flexibility, and Bluetooth 4.2 to easily connect to wireless peripherals. Whether you're setting it up in an office or your living room, it stays connected and reliable. This PC isn't just plug-and-play, it's worry-free. With FCC, ROHS, and CE certifications, and a 1-year warranty backed by helpful Amazon customer support, ACEMAGIC gives you peace of mind with your purchase. In short, the ACEMAGIC Vista V1 N150 mini PC delivers where it matters: performance, storage, design, and price. It's sleek, it's silent, it's smart, and it's one of the best value mini PCs on the market in 2025. If you're ready to upgrade your setup without the clutter or the cost, this is the mini PC to get.